Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on mute entry functions, meaning that you can mute internet and phone audio when there's a meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on audio and video. Scroll down to the mute on entry function. Here you have two options that you can select, such as the mute internet audio function. As it says, turn on automatic mute when connecting audio over the internet in upcoming meetings. So click on the button next to it. And the second one is turn on automatic mute when connecting audio using call me or call in upcoming meetings. Feel free to turn off any of these functions by simply clicking on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.